Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation right here, from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those and you need to find the fuses for the hands-free tailgate, stay with us, we'll explain which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the hands-free tailgate, also known as liftgate guys, which fuse you need to check. Now this is the pre-facelifted version, this is facelifted version, it should work for both. We have 3 different fuse boxes. Today we're working just 2 of them. The first one is in the trunk. Open the trunk on the right side. You have a cover right here, remove it. Underneath it is the main trunk fuse box like this one. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to always guys test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here you may need to check up to 2 different fuses, excuse me. So here we're going to start in that row, and the first one that you need to check is fuse number 1, right here, that 5 amp fuse. Check that one. Then you need to check fuse number 25, that fuse right here. After that you need to check guys, you need to open the door, passenger door. Once you do that, okay, under the glove box, all the way on the bottom of it, look upside down, you have one carpet soft liner, attaches with 2 turning knobs. Remove them, pull that carpet liner out, and behind it you will find the body control module with interior fuse box that will look like this one. Here you need to check 2 more fuses. The first one is fuse number 65. We're talking about this fuse here. Okay, the fuse number is in the top right corner next to the fuse. And the next one that you need to check is fuse number 84 guys. So it will be that fuse right here. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.